Why do we get hiccups? Here's the weird science. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, suddenly spasms. That spasm makes your vocal cords snap shut, creating the classic hic sound. Eating too fast, drinking fizzy drinks, or even laughing can trigger them. Usually hiccups disappear on their own, but they can be super annoying. Fun fact, some animals get hiccups too, including cats and dogs. So next time you hiccup, remember, it's just your body being a little quirky. Comment below, what's your weirdest hiccup cure?